Hello, I'm Jonathan Witmer-Rich. I'm a professor at the Cleveland Marshall College of Law, and I'm also one of our associate deans and the co-director of our Criminal Justice Center. If you are interested in potentially practicing criminal law, either as a criminal defense lawyer or as a prosecutor, Cleveland Marshall is an excellent place to prepare yourself for that career. First, of course, we have a very rich criminal law curriculum. In the first year, the substantive criminal law class is where you begin, and then in the upper level, some of the core classes would be Criminal Procedure 1 and Criminal Procedure 2. One we'd call, Cops and Robbers, the class about what the police can do, what the constitutional limits on the police are when they're investigating crimes, things like search warrants and that sort of thing. Criminal Procedure 2 we'd call Bail to Jail. What are the rules governing the criminal justice process from the time that it begins with a charge, the right to counsel, all of that stuff, all the way through pretrial practice, discovery, conviction, sentencing, appeals, all of that. Then beyond that, we have a lot of criminal law specialty courses, classes like white-collar crime or capital punishment law or criminal felony sentencing, legal responses to terrorism, cybercrime, a broad range of upper-level offerings, and both offered by our full-time faculty, many of whom are former prosecutors or criminal defense lawyers, as well as an adjunct faculty, many of whom are current prosecutors, criminal defense lawyers, and even judges who teach in various parts of our curriculum, offering a lot of specialty courses. We have a lot of practical opportunities for students to get involved in criminal law matters while they're students at Cleveland Marshall. This happens both in practicums. We have what we call pop-up practicums, practicums that pop up from time to time when an opportunity is available. And a lot of these happen in the criminal law area. So for example, in recent years, we've had students do practicums with myself or other full-time or adjunct faculty members on issues like mental health courts, the Ohio Rules Commission, bail reform, domestic violence policy, the Conviction Integrity Unit. So a lot of opportunities where students are working on either criminal law policy matters that can be statewide or local issues, or working on individual client matters. We also have a pretrial justice clinic where you would work under the supervision of a faculty member and a member of the public defender's office, representing or helping represent individual clients in pretrial phases of their case. And finally, we have a broad externship program where students work as externs in the county public defender's office, the county prosecutor's office, the federal public defender's office, and the federal prosecutor's office, which is called the U.S. Attorney's Office. We almost every year have students and externs in all of those 4 locations, and those are great opportunities to start experiencing what criminal law looks like, and also getting yourself experience with a particular employer who may be able to offer you a job after you graduate. We have a really deep bench of alumni practicing criminal law as prosecutors, defense lawyers, and of course judges. A lot of our local judges are Cleveland Marshall graduates and started out doing criminal law work, either as a prosecutor or as a defense lawyer, or maybe sometimes both, and eventually are now on the bench. So those alumni are really invested in our students and our school, and if you're interested in this area, we can line you up with alumni in our community who do the kind of work that you're interested in and who can help mentor you and figure out how that can become your career path. So that's a little bit about our criminal justice curriculum here at Cleveland Marshall, and we're eager to have you learn more.